now after giving a bit concentration to this rough sketch, you can gain most of the things which are involved in pharmaceutical calculations. Now, as I told you, that there is a basic unit in between these two lines. And if you move from this basic unit toward the left, there will be reduction in the unit. -1 and -2 and -3. It means that if we take the amount of gram, it means that the 10th part of 1 gram. -1 means 10th part. And -2 means 100. And of course -3, 1000 part. And in the same way, this way, it means that there will be a multiplication. So deca means 1 into 10, and then 100 grams, and then kilo means 1000 grams. So now I would like to tell you that gram, if there is decigrams, it means the 10th part of a gram. If there is centigram, it means the 100th part of a single gram. And if there is a milligram, then there is a 1000th part of that gram. And the same case is with liter, deciliter, centimeter, milliliter, and liter, centimeter, decimeter, and millimeter. And moving toward the right side, there will be increase in the unit. That is deca means gram, decagram or hectogram or kilograms. Decagrams means 10 grams, and hectograms means 100 grams, and in the same way kilograms means 1000 grams. और हम अपने रोजमर्रा जिंदगी में जो मतलब दुकानदार हजरात अच्छे जानते हैं, मतलब कि 1 किलोग्राम में कितने ग्राम्स होते हैं या 1 किलोग्राम में कितने हेक्टो, तो वो यूज नहीं करते, बस ग्राम में यूज करते हैं कि मतलब in 1 kilogram we have 1000 grams. So this case is the same for liter, and other units which are involved in the SI system. And in the same way, if you go a bit to this side or this side, there also comes micro -6, which is also involved in pharmaceutical calculations. And this side there is also pico and other. But so after getting a concept about basic units and the conversion of units or reduction or enlargement of units, now we will switch to problems which are associated with conversion. Pharmaceutical calculation में topic है reducing and enlarging formulas. It's a complete topic and is an important one. वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि फार्मासिस्ट किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में जब कोई चीज़ डिस्पेंस करता है, जब कोई चीज़ बनाता है, उसकी जो है मतलब मिकदार बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Amount of, for example, 1000 grams or 1 ton or 1 kg liquid and so on. So we don't need such a huge amount in our day-to-day life. I mean to say that in extemporaneous calculation of pharmaceutical dosage form. So फिर हम क्या करते हैं कि pharmaceutical calculations की मदद लेते हैं. Now we will come to some of the very simple problems associated with the conversion of the units. इसमें क्या है, एक प्रॉब्लम दिया हुआ है, a capsule containing the following amounts of medicinal substance. एक कैप्सूल है, उसमें following the amount of medicinal substance involved है 0.7 grams.